Hello again, ganito ka chika life. Eto na naman po tayo, magbibigay na naman po tayo ng mga updates sa ating mga paboritong artista. Pero bago po tayo magsimula, bago po pumikisan ang ating update for today, is gusto ko lamang pong batiin kayo ng Happy New Year. Eto na nga po, January 1, 2025, panibagong araw, panibagong taon, panibagong simula ng ating buhay. Unang araw ng bagong taon. Ito po ang kauna-unahan nating chika for today. Alam niyo po bang itong si Mr. Enrique Hill, open po siyang makatrabaho ulit si Miss Catherine Bernardo. 12 years after working with Catherine Bernardo in Princess as an Eye, Enrique Hill is not closing doors on reuniting with the actress, although he clarified that they don't have a reunion project currently in the works. Sa kanya nga pong panayam, noong araw po ng Metro Manila Film Festival 2024, Gabi ng Parangal, Enrique said he is open to reuniting with Catherine Bernardo while clarifying that he doesn't have upcoming project with the actress. He said, "I'm not sure about that. I haven't heard about that. But I'm always open to anything, of course." Here is the lead star of the Metro Manila Film Festival 2024 entry, Strange Pregnancies, Taiwan Killer Hospital, which contains footage shot by himself and co-stars Kenny Leon, Alexa Nero, Rob Gomez, and M.K. Lastimosa. Aside from the footage horror film, the actor was also the lead of the sexy comedy I'm Not a Big Bird, which premiered on Valentine's Day this year. According to Hill, this is just beginning of him expanding his filmography not only as an actor but also a producer throughout his production outfit, Emers Entertainment. This is just the beginning. I was able to produce I Am Not Big Bird, which is a comedy. I always wanted to do comedy, slapstick comedy, he said. And then now, I was able to produce a meta style of horror. I still want to produce a traditional style of horror in the future. I have a concept as well for an action horror. But does mean Enrique is saying goodbye to love teams for good, when he said that restarting his entertaining career as solo actor and producer is a part of actor. He clarified that he's not closing his doors to it to good. "I'm not saying goodbye, I'm not closing my doors in that meantime because I've been doing it all my life. There's a time and place for everything," he said. "This time I really want to focus on different genres I've never done before. Para when I got old, masasabi ko, at least I was able to do everything. As the actor, I is set to welcome the new year." He shared that he's just having fun with his career and involves him playing around with the different concept. "For now, I'm enjoying and playing around with different concept and characters. I'm just having fun," he said. "I'm looking forward to more concept, more comedies, and of course, I want to do some dramas in the future." Dagdag pa nga po ni Mr. Enrique Hill, "Hindi kasi ako magaling mag-isip ng drama. But I have concept in my mind. Already since I have a team naman. Ang hili ko kasi sa comedy ang horror eh. Actually, I have one show coming up in ABS-CBN in co-production. It's my concept. Ako yung nag-pitch sa ABS-CBN. And super natuwa ako na talagang nagustuhan ni Tita Cory. I was the one who pitched to ABS-CBN and happy that Tita Cory liked it and greenlit the project. I'm super excited. We'll be shooting in Europe next year but more details to follow," he continued. Beside, on the 2018 horror film, Dunjak Haunted Ice Gnome, the Metro Manila Film Festival entry won Best Sound. It also received 7 other nominations including Best Cinematography, Best Production Design, and Best Actress for De Leon. Thank you for watching. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video ito, subscribe na sa Starlight Showbiz YouTube channel and please don't forget to hit the bell button for our latest updates.